to another expression that might have a boomerang. Days after Congress President Mallikarjun Kharge invoked the need for sacrifice, perhaps in an attempt to inspire his party members, it seems that the clarion call may have a boomerang. Why do we say that? Because today, Congress released its anthem for Delhi Assembly elections, and in the 2-minute 48-second long video, the party seems to have forgotten to include even a single frame of its national president. The song talks about situation in the national capital, speaks of a water crisis, garbage and other issues, and features many Congress faces, the most prominent one, of course, being Rahul Gandhi. Now, BJP is citing this as evidence of grand old party's pro-Parivar and anti-Dalit mindset.
कल ही माननीय खड़गे जी ने कहा था कि पार्टी के लिए सैक्रिफाइस करना पड़ेगा। 24 घंटों में कांग्रेस ने उन्हीं से सैक्रिफाइस ले लिया। अब बताइए कि कांग्रेस पार्टी का दिल्ली में एक एंथम सॉन्ग निकला है। पूरा एंथम सॉन्ग देखने के बाद पता चला कि उसमें खड़गे जी कहीं पर है ही नहीं, एक झलकी भी नहीं। बताइए, राष्ट्रीय अध्यक्ष की एक झलकी नहीं, पूरा गायब कर दिया। खड़गे जी से इतना बड़ा सैक्रिफाइस क्यों लिया गया? क्या राहुल गांधी को राष्ट्रीय अध्यक्ष बनाना है, उन्हीं को प्रोजेक्ट करना है, इसलिए? फैमिली फर्स्ट है, पार्टी फर्स्ट नहीं है, इसलिए? या हो सकता है कि ये उनकी दलित विरोधी मानसिकता हो?
Look, poor Kharge Saab has two very big weights he carries on his shoulder. He carries the weight of a family in Karnataka that is busy land grabbing and grabbing land at the drop of a hat. And he carries the weight, on the other hand, of this dynasty who basically just wants to use him and exploit him as a figurehead for the Congress party. Look, just to set the record straight, Sonia Gandhi never made any sacrifice in 2004. There is no way our country, India, would have ever accepted an Italian as our Prime Minister. She just took a very prudent decision that to sort of impose an Italian on India as a Prime Minister would have been too much for even a congressman to bear and to deal with.
Clearly on the back foot, Congress is now in damage control mode. However, they clearly have no logical explanation for leaving out their party chief from a promo, especially when the party keeps harping on pro-Dalit stance. During his Jai Bapu, Jai Bhim, Jai Samvidhan public meeting, the only one that Rahul Gandhi has so far addressed in the capital, he also went on to attack PM and Arvind Kejriwal, alleging that both did not want the backward, Dalit and tribal and minorities to get their due. Now, cornered over the issue of leaving out Kharge, the party now says it is an oversight and will be fixed. The question is, in election times when a very high premium is placed on perception, can Congress convince people that the timing of Kharge's very visible exclusion from party's campaign anthem right after his sacrifice speech was seen as a message for Rahul Gandhi by some is absolutely inadvertent?
Our creative people create, and I think it's there's. I think if it's missing, then I hope they correct. But these are all creative things. I mean, important thing is that advertising companies or companies that make this material probably look at leaders, right? Whom Delhi people are responding to. It's a Delhi state election. It's not really a national. Our thing is that we are projecting our song. We are talking about development, and BJP or Aam Aadmi Party doesn't seem to be having the guts or the capacity to sit with us and talk of development issues.
थीम सॉन्ग लॉन्च हुआ था दिल्ली कांग्रेस का, उसमें बीजेपी कह रही है कि मल्लिकार्जुन खड़गे जी की क्लिपिंग ही नहीं लगाई है, दलित का अपमान तो कांग्रेस पार्टी करती हुई नजर आ रही है। इस पर आप क्या कहेंगे सर?
मल्लिकार्जुन खड़गे जी के बारे में बीजेपी को झांकने की जरूरत नहीं है। मल्लिकार्जुन खड़गे जी हमारे राष्ट्रीय अध्यक्ष हैं, उनके बिना कहाँ कोई कल्पना हो सकती है कांग्रेस।